Hello guys! So mag-unbox tayo ng PR kit from Shopee. So, hindi nyo muna pwede makita. Surprise nga, di ba? So nakita nyo na. Hi guys! This is Tenshi Vlogs and we are going to unbox this PR kit surprise package from Shopee. So, pinalad na naman po tayong makatanggap ng PR kit from Shopee. So, I'm really excited to see what's inside. So, yan. First is, you can see the 6.6 and 7.7 mid-year sale. We have here the 66 pesos deals, and then the 10% off daily, and then we have here the free shipping with 0 or no minimum spend. Okay, so let's go first unbox this 6.6 and 7.7 mid-year sale box. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh, it's a t-shirt. Sa wakas, may pa-t-shirt na ako. Nagaling sa Shopee mismo. Look, oh, that's so cute. And this. Salamat, Shopee! That's so cute! Parang malaki siya sa akin, pero carry na. So, this one is for the t-shirt. Uy, meron pa palang isa. Tada! It's a Shopee alarm clock. Shopee alarm clock? Wala na. Next is, let's try this one, 6.6 deals. Let's see what's inside. Uy, mask lanyard. I have 3 mask lanyards na. Thank you, Shopee. And what else? What else do we have? Let's try here this 10% off daily. Let's see what's inside. Shopee sunglasses. Let's try it on. Okay, next. Let's go sa free shipping 0 minimum spend na box. Siyang Tetris, no? Let's see what's inside. Uy, ito yung sinasabi nilang flag. Keep calm and Shopee on. Ayun lahat yung laman ng PR kit. Lagay ulit natin siya sa ilalim. Oop! Hindi siya mapagkasya. Sa wakas nagkasya na rin. And mukha akong bruha dito kasi pa naman ang init. Okay. So, yep. Those are the things that Shopee gave. Thank you so much, Shopee. And that's all for today's video. See you on my next vlog. Yun lang, in-unbox ko lang. Unboxing eh. Ang dami ko pang videos na ini-edit and hindi ko pa rin ma-upload kasi tamad ako. I'm sorry. So, ayun. See you on my next vlog.